Hello and welcome to Arizona State University. As a graduate student, you will need to submit an interactive plan of study, commonly called iPOS. Your iPOS includes information about the courses you plan to take, when you plan to take them, who will serve on your committee, and much more. In this video, we will show you how to create and submit a basic iPOS. You start by going to my.asu.edu and you log in with your ASU right and your password. On your My ASU page, you will see a My Programs box on the right side of the screen. Click on the name of the degree, then click on iPOS and click on the Graduate Interactive Plan of Study link. This will open your actual iPOS. Whenever you visit your iPOS, you will always land on the Welcome page. The first time you do so, you will need to check the box confirming you have agreed to read, understand, and abide by all graduate college policies. Make sure to read the policy manual because you are responsible to follow all policies. After you check the box, click on Save and then click on Next in the top right corner. The next page that opens is the Degree Requirements page. If you are enrolled in a program with only one option for degree requirements, then simply click on Save and Next. If you're enrolled in a program with more than one option, then click on the maroon bar that says Select Requirements and select your choice of requirements. Then click on Save and click on Next. To begin, select your anticipated graduation term. Then click on a maroon button to start adding courses to your plan of study. You will see three maroon buttons: Add from Transcript, Add Future Course, and Add Transfer Course. You click on Add from Transcript to add courses you have already completed or are currently enrolled in. Click on Add Future Course to add courses you will take in a future semester. Click on Add Transfer Course to add courses you want to transfer from another university. Some sections may have one or more courses that automatically show up above the maroon buttons. Those are courses that are required for your program. Check the box in the row listing the course and click on Done. In the window that opens, select the term in which you plan to take the course. If you have the option, also select the number of credits you plan to enroll in for this course. Then click on Done. Repeat this step for each section you see, except for the section Add Open Courses. When you have added all your courses, click on Save at the bottom of the page and on Next at the top right. The course summary page will then open. This page gives you an overview of your course list. Click on Next at the top right. The page with your staff advisor information shows whom you can contact in your academic unit if you have any questions. You cannot make any changes to this page, so just click on Next to move on. The faculty committee page is next. When you first create your program of study, you only have to add one chair or two co-chairs to your committee. You do not have to add your entire committee. Some units will tell you who you need to add as your chair, others do not. If you have questions about whom to add, contact your staff advisor. To add a committee member, click on the maroon row that says Select Faculty Committee. In the window that pops up, enter at least the first two letters of the person's last and first name. Then click on Search or Enter and then select your faculty committee member. Then you will be asked to select a role for this faculty member, and when you have done so, click on Done. You repeat this process for every faculty member that you wish to add, and then you click on Save. Then you click on Next. You do not need to use the petitions page when you submit an initial iPOS, so you can just click on Next. You also do not have to add anything about professional development right away, so you can click on Next. And then the last page that opens is the Summary Submit page. This is where you see all the information you have entered on your iPOS. After reviewing everything, you can scroll to the bottom of the page. You can check the box indicating that you understand that you must act with honesty and integrity. Then you submit your iPOS. Your iPOS has now been successfully submitted. It is now with your academic unit for review. After your academic unit reviews and approves it, it will go to the graduate college for their review and approval.